In today's video, we will be learning about the sum of first n terms of an AP. So, last के जितने भी videos हैं जो हम लोगों ने देखे उसमें हम लोगों ने सीखा था कि how we can take out the terms of an AP. So, यहाँ पे हम terms नहीं निकालने वाले हैं. Terms in the sense we will be taking out the sum of the terms. So, जो भी हमने अभी terms निकाली थी वो terms का पूरा sum कर देंगे, summation कर देंगे. So, what will be our answer? That is will be given by this formula. So, let's see the formula first. So Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग से बोलती आ रही हूँ आपको चैप्टर में केवल दो ही फॉर्मूले याद करने हैं. द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड वाज an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This was the formula to find the nth term of the AP. कोई से भी टर्म अगर AP की फाइंड करनी है तो ये वाले फॉर्मूले से फाइंड कर सकते थे. Because a represents the term, n is the number of terms. Which term you want? For an example, if you want 8th term, you will get a8. The 8th term, specifically 8th term of an AP, you will get by using this formula. Now, if you want the summation from first to 8th term, that's why the name given is sum of first n terms of an AP. So, if the series is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go on. So, if this is a series and you want that, अभी मैंने 1 2 3 लाइन से लिखा है. So I will get on 8th place I will get 8. Now what I want is I want sum of till 8th sum which will be provided by this formula. So that is the sum of first n terms of an AP. You can even find till nth term, the sum of nth term. जैसे कि हम nth term find करते आ रहे थे, अभी यहाँ पे sum find करेंगे nth term का. So the formula is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो ये दोनों फॉर्मूले याद मतलब चैप्टर कंप्लीट. Now what we do mean by Sn? Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. A is nothing but the first term which we already know. D is common difference. And अगर यदि हम Sn को ये वाले फॉर्मूले को अगर यदि मैं 2a को a plus a लिख दूँ, let's see here. Sn is equals to n by 2. 2a को split करके I am writing it a plus n minus 1 into d remain as it is. Can we see this part? A plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but an. Is nothing but an. So we can write this formula as a plus an. A plus an लिख सकते हैं. So this is the nothing but the second type how we can write the same formula of Sn as n by 2 into a plus an. Now we know that an is nothing but the term, specific term of the nth term. So this is nothing but the last term. If I say that will be L. So I can also write Sn as n by 2 into a plus L. n by 2 is equals to a plus L. So these are the formation how we can actually form from the given formula. So basically हमको यही दो formulas याद रखने हैं जिससे कि हमारा पूरा solution solve होता है. So I think the basic requirement for what we need to solve the sum for the sum of first n terms of an AP is this formula, which is right now I can say it is very short, and if you go through this formula, this is again the shortened form of the above formula. So let's see sums. Now let's have a look on find sum of 20 terms of this AP. Find sum of 20 terms of the AP. मतलब A1 से लेकर के A20 तक के जितने भी terms हैं सबको प्लस करना है और मुझको उसका sum बताना है. तो that is nothing but which is been given by the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's see. First of all हमको A and D की जरूरत है. तो हमको सीरीज देख करके मालूम पड़ रहा है our A is nothing but 3. A is 3 and what is D? D is nothing but 5 minus 3 which comes out to be 2. So A we know and D we know. Now we know have to take out that sum of 20 terms. So what is n over here? N is 20. N is 20 because we need to take out the sum of first 20 terms. Now अपना हथियार Sn is equals to n by 2 to twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. Fine. तो ये फॉर्मूला लगाने के बाद आपको S n की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे 20. तो S20 the sum of first 20 terms इसको बोलते हैं sum of first 20 terms. 20 divided by 2 into A is 3. So 2 into 3 plus n is again 20 minus 1 into D is nothing but 2. So if I solve this I will get S20 as this will be 10 6 plus 19 into 2. 19 into 2. So let's solve further. We will get 6 plus 19 into 2 will give you 38, and 10 into 6 plus 38 will give you 44. So answer for S20 comes out to be 440. So the sum of first 20 terms for the given series will be 440. Will be 440. I hope how to use the formula must be very clear to you all. Just we need to find out what is A, what is D, what is N for the given series, and we are done with the question. That's it. Now, let's have a look on the similar question. Find sum of first 22 terms of an AP. AP given to us is 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. Let's have a look. First of all, we can take out A. A is nothing but 8. We can take out D. D is nothing but 3 minus 8, which will give you minus 5. Minus 5. So A की value निकल आई, D की value निकल आई. N will be 22 because they have asked us to find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So N is nothing but 22. If N is 22, again we can apply the same formula for Sn and the solution is done. Sn is equals to N by 2 twice of A plus N minus 1 into D. Correct? Now, what is N over here? S22. 22 upon 2 plus twice of A, that is 2 into 8 will give you 16, plus N minus 1 is nothing but 22. N is 22. 22 minus 1 will give you 21 into minus 5. Into minus 5. Because the value for D is minus 5. Now, what we can do is, this will be get cancelled out and will remain with 11 plus 16 plus 21 into 5 will give you 105. That too minus 105 because 21 into minus. So, ये plus का sign minus में बदल जाएगा. So, you will get 16 minus 105. 16 minus 105 is nothing but minus 89. Minus 89. And once you multiply 11 into minus 89, you will get 979. That too of minus. So, the sum for first 22 terms for the given series will be minus 979. So how easy it becomes, you no need to find out the 22 terms and then need to add it up. Just by using the small formula, you can directly get the sum of any number of series, any number of terms which you want. So it's very simple. Now, the question given to us is, find sum of following series. The series is given as 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on till 200. So, by seeing the question, you can say that A is given in the question, D we can take it out, and the last term has been provided in the question. So, what all is given in the question? सबसे पहले हम वो लिख लेंगे जो दिया हुआ है. So, A is nothing but 2. D is given as 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. So, A is also 2, D is also 2. What is the nth term of the series? That is 200. Last key term, nth term of the given series is 200, which we can write it as L also. Correct? Which we can write it as L also. But अभी तक जो हमने दो sums देखे उसमें n दिया हुआ था. Here we don't know how many terms actually we have. We have the last term of the AP, but we don't have how many terms actually we have in a series. So how to calculate? Again, by using the same formula, we know an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Are we having an? We are having a. We are having d. Only unknown will be n. So, by using this formula, the nth term formula, we can find n, and this n we can substitute in Sn formula to get the sum of the series. So, हमको an निकालना. An हमको already दिया हुआ है 200. A is nothing but 2. N minus 1 leave like that and 2. So, 200 minus 2 will give you 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 2. N minus 1 into 2. So, you will get n minus 1 is equals to 198 divided by 2. So, n minus 1 is nothing but when you divide 198 divided by 2, you will get 99. So, the value for n comes out to be 99 plus 1, you will get as 100. You will get as 100. So, यहाँ से हमको क्या मिला? nth term का formula use करके हमको क्या मिला? हमको n मिला. N is nothing but how many terms are there in the given series? There are 100 terms in the given series. What I need to do? I need to find the sum of the 100 terms. It's that simple. So, which formula we will be using? Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2. क्या हमको बड़ा formula use करने की जरूरत है? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. अगर आप यूज करोगे तो आपको सेम आंसर मिलेगा, बट वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन a plus an. That is also one of the formula for Sn, and it is already directly given in the question. The value for an is 200. So we can find Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. Now by substituting the terms, Sn is nothing but we have how many terms? 100 terms. So we are going to take the sum of all the 100 terms. So 100 divided by 2. What is a in the question? A is 2. 2 plus, and an given to the question is 200. So let's solve it. 100 divided by 2 will give you 50. 50 and 202. 202. If you solve for 100 as 100, you will get as 0 0 1. 10100 will be the sum for the given series for all 100 terms. I hope how to make use both the formulas in a single sum must be clear. So that's why we have already solved so many number of sums by using this formulas. Now we can combine the two and we can solve and we can find the given unknowns. Now let's have a look on this formula. Find the sum of n terms of AP whose nth term is 2n plus 1. हमको दिया हुआ क्या है क्वेश्चन में? nth term हमारी क्या है? 2n plus 1. This is little bit different than the previous sums which we have solved. A दिया, an term दी है in the terms of n. Now what we need to find is, we need to find A, we need to find D, and we need to find the first sum of n terms. In the n terms we need to find. n की वैल्यूज में ही फाइंड करना है. So first term फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग n की वैल्यू को क्या डालेंगे? A1. So A1 will be nothing but 2 into 1 plus 1 which will give you 3. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So the first term of the series will be 3. If I take out the second term of the series and my common difference will be A2 minus A1, correct? So it will be 2 into 2 plus 1 which will give you 5. So the D value comes out to be 5 minus 3 which is nothing but 2. So हमारे पास an आ गया, D आ गया. So we have A, we have D. What we need to find out is Sn for sum of n terms of AP. So what is the formula? Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What we need to find out? Sn ही find out करना है, तो n को n की जगह पर ही रहने दो. a की जगह पर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? a will be 3, तो 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 and d will be 5. Sorry, d will be 2. So what we will get while solving the sum, let's see. Sn is equals to n by 2. क्या मैं ये वाली टर्म से 2 और ये वाली टर्म से 2 कॉमन निकाल सकती हूँ? So if I take 2 common, I will get 3 plus n minus 1. I will get this way. And if I can cancel out 2 and 2 because this 2 is common to this whole term and this 2 is in the denominator. So if I cancel out 2 and 2, my new equation becomes 3 plus, I am opening the bracket n minus 1. So you will get n. 3 minus 1 will give you 2, 2 plus n. Multiplying the n inside the bracket, you will get 2n plus n square. So this is the formulation for n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. For example, आपको पूछा होता कि 50th term का sum बताओ ये AP का, तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? Just you need to substitute in the place of n 50. आपको 50 का sum मिल जाएगा. Let's see. अगर S 50 पूछा है, so you will get 2 into 50 plus 50 square. So what you will get? 2 into 5 will give you 10. 10 plus 2500. So you will get the answer as 2510. So this will be the sum for the 50th term of this nth term series of this particular series. So आपने क्या करा? आपने एक जनरल इक्वेशन बनाई जिसमें कि आप कोई से भी टर्म तक का सम निकाल सकते हो. So that was it was asked in the question, find the sum of n terms of an AP. पहले n terms of an AP के sum को find करना है. So this is the equation which we have. Now the question given to us is find the sum of first 24 terms from the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equals to 3 plus 2n. तो an की वैल्यू दी है पिछले सम के जैसे ही. क्या हम a and d निकाल सकते हैं? How we can take out a by substituting a1. a1 is nothing but 3 plus 2 into 1 will give you 5. So the value for a comes out to be 5. Now A2 की वैल्यू निकालेंगे 3 plus 2 into 2 will give you 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 7. So D will be nothing but A2 minus A1. That is 7 minus 5 will give you 2. 7 minus 5 will give you 2. तो हमारे पास A की वैल्यू आ गई, D की वैल्यू आ गई. पूछा क्या है? सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 24 टर्म्स. 24 terms मतलब n will be how much? 24. Again using the same formula, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Into d. Now, substituting the sums, S24 चाहिए, 24 divided by 2. We have value of a as 5. So 2 into 5 will give you 10 plus n minus 1, that is 24, minus 1 give you 23 into 2. Into 2. So 12, 10 plus 23 into 2 will give you 46. 12 into 46 plus 10 will give you 56. So the value for S24 comes out to be 672. So you get the sum of first 24 terms of the given series is to be 672. It was an elaborated form from the previous question. Previous question में हमने SN टर्म की डेफिनेशन निकाली थी, जनरल टर्म निकाली थी SN की. अगर उसमें कोई सी भी टर्म सब्स्टिट्यूट करते तो उधर तक का सम हमको मिल जाता. So I hope these types of sums must be done clear to you all, because just we are using the two simple formulas which we have learned till now, and all the questions have been solved. Let's have a look to this question. Find the sum of first 30 terms of an AP whose second term is 2 and seventh term is 22. सबसे पहले लिख लेते हैं कि क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या क्या दिया है. सम किसका फाइंड करना है? 30, फर्स्ट 30 n टर्म्स का. तो n कितना हो गया? 30. फिर क्वेश्चन में दिया है whose second term is, सेकेंड टर्म बोला है. सो ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे क्वेश्चन और ध्यान से लिखेंगे जो दिया हुआ है. And seventh term is 22. And seventh term is 22. So these are the three things which is given in the question, and we need to find S30. What we need to find? S30. S30 हमको फाइंड करना है. हमको ना A दिया है ना D दिया है, बट A एंड D निकालने के क्लूज दिए हैं. ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चन हम लोग बहुत प्रीवियसली कर चुके हैं जब हम लोग nth टर्म ऑफ एन AB सॉल्व कर रहे थे. nth टर्म में हमने A एंड D यही तरीके से निकालना सीखा था. A2, क्या मैं A2 को A plus D लिख सकती हूँ? By using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Can I write a7 as a plus 6d? And I know a2 is nothing but 2 and a7 is nothing but 22. So we have two equations, two unknowns. Can we solve it simultaneously? Yes. क्या करेंगे? दोनों इक्वेशन को subtract कर देंगे. A and A will get cancelled out, and you will get D minus 6D will be minus 5D, and here you will get minus 20. Minus minus on both the side will get cancelled out. The value for D comes out to be 21.5, which is nothing but 4. तो D की वैल्यू हमको कितनी मिल गई? 4. So हमको क्वेश्चन में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा दिया जाएगा जिससे कि हम उसका फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस निकाल सके. तो वही चीज आपको देखनी है कि किस तरीके से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं. अदरवाइज क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. Now, A की वैल्यू हम कोई भी इक्वेशन में रखेंगे हमको मिल जाएगी. पहली वाली इक्वेशन में रखती हूँ. A plus D is equals to 2 दिया है. D की वैल्यू रखी मैंने 4 is equals to 2. The value of A comes out to be 2 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 2. तो A की वैल्यू आ गई minus 2. So A की वैल्यू मिल गई, D की वैल्यू मिल गई, N की वैल्यू है. Sn की वैल्यू में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, फर्स्ट 30 टर्म्स का सम मिल जाएगा. देख रहे हो कितना इजी है. n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Fine. Now n is nothing but 30. 30 divided by 2. 2. A कितना आ रहा है? minus 2. माइनस के साइन में गलती मत करना. 30 minus 1 will give you 29. 29 into D comes out to be 4. So can we solve this? Yes. 30 by 2 will give you 15. This will give you minus 4 plus this will give you 116. 116. So 116, 15 into minus 4 and 112 will give you 112. Now 15 into 112 will give you 1680. 1680. So the sum of first 30 terms of the series comes out to be 1680. So this is the way, these are the clues which will be given to you to find out the common difference and the first term of the series. And once you know A, D and N, Just you can apply the sum formula and you will get the answer. Let's have a look on this question. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. पहले क्या क्या दिया है वो देख लेते हैं. 14 टर्म्स का सम दिया है. इस समय सम्स दिया है. पहला सम ऐसा आ रहा है जिससे आपको सम दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी. 14 टर्म्स का सम दिया है मतलब n कितना हो गया? 14 हो गया. सम ऑफ 14 टर्म्स इज 1050 एंड इट्स फर्स्ट टर्म इज, फर्स्ट टर्म मतलब a. नीड टू फाइंड द 20th टर्म. सम पूछा नहीं है, टर्म पूछिए इस बार. 20th टर्म पूछिए. So we need to find 20th term. So Sn is Sn 14. The term sum of first 14 terms is given as 1050. Can we apply the formula for Sn as n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d? And we have Sn. Now we have Sn. Sn की value 1050. The n is 14 upon 2 into we have first term given in the question plus n minus 1, we don't know the value. We know the value of n as 14 minus 1 is 13 and we don't know the value for the common difference. और हमको सीरीज में ऐसा कुछ दिया भी नहीं है कि जिससे हम कॉमन डिफरेंस निकाल पाए. बट ये दिया है ना सम. क्या आप लोगों को दिख रहा है सम में केवल d ही एक ऐसा टर्म है जो कि अननोन है. तो इधर से अननोन निकाल लेंगे. लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. 1050 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. 2 into 10 20 plus 13d. Now if I multiply 7 inside the bracket, I will get 140 plus 21, 791d. 91d. So it comes out to be 1050 is equals to. Now I can solve it as 91d will be equal to 1050 minus 140. So 91d will be equal to, how be equal to 910. 910. तो यहाँ से 910 आया 91d. So d की वैल्यू 910 upon 91 will give you 10. So the value for d comes out to be 10. d की वैल्यू 10 आ गई. a की वैल्यू 10 दी हुई है. n की वैल्यू 14 मालूम है. बट अभी क्या फाइंड करना है? 20th टर्म फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू चेंज होगी. n will be 20. So I need to apply the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. And here n will be 20. तो n 20 तो a की वैल्यू रहेगी 10 plus n minus 1 is n is 20. 20 minus 1 will give you 19. 19 into 10. So it will be 10 plus 190 and the answer for 20th term 20th term की जगह पर you will get 200. You will get 200. It is not the sum of the 20 terms. It is the 20th term of the series will be 200. So I hope such type of questions must be clear where already Sn term is given and we need to find out the term from the series. So we have seen the jumbled up formulas like in the both the formulas in the one question and how to use them. Now the sum is find the sum of the series 3 plus 11 plus 19 plus dash 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 till 803. So the last term is given, the first term is given. You can find D. I hope this question is really simple and we have already taken such type of questions. So I hope you can do this question very well and it's very easy. Just we need to apply the formulas and that to two formulas which we have. It becomes very simple. And once you get the answer, please comment me in the comment box so that we can have fun to learn the arithmetic progression. I hope you must have enjoyed the lessons. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content. Bye-bye. We will meet you in the second video.